Now that we're done with messing with this stuff, I bought a body kit. Oh, I am already hyped to get this on. Issues. I put the side skirt on just to see. I'm gonna have to trim right here because the door won't open, and then probably chop a bunch of this off just like I had to do with this fender as well, because this tire is perfect. Just like that. Already know it's probably gonna have to trim every side. I actually don't think I'm gonna have to trim the rear bumper because there's so much room back here. So I think that's gonna be good. So now I'm gonna take off the rear bumper, then do side skirts. The front bumper is gonna be a bitch. This fender's supposed to be bolted down with this bumper, so it like holds together. So I think I'm gonna have to like zip tie the fender to this, and then zip tie the bumper to there as well. The only time I'm gonna use screws is on the side skirt, because I just want the bumpers to fall off easily if anything happens. That was definitely more of a bitch than I thought. I got caught on one of these. Thankfully, don't need them anymore because the rear bumper wraps all the way to here and mounts from here instead of over here now. Exhaust tips are pointed up. It's fighting with this lip, so I gotta cut this part out and this part out on these two. It's gonna be a little bit of a bitch because once we get it up here, the other one doesn't want to go on. So I might have to get rid of this lip right here so I can just slide on like that with this to this. We good. Oh yeah, we got the back mounted up, all zip tied. Really liking this. Zip tied through the license plate too, so it'd have upper. We got this. Oh, I can't really do anything about this. That noise is it right here. So I gotta trim this a little bit more, but I'm keeping this how it is for now. This is good. On to the next side skirts. So I have to shave off this lip as well on both of these. This tire sometimes grab on this, so this definitely is not going to be there. When I go to spray paint this, I'm going to spray paint the fender as well, because it's always been catching on the door right here, and that's why there's a crack, because I don't really care. I just let people rip it open. But once it's painted, it should be better. I mean, it's a drift car. If it looks pretty from far away, it's fine. I self-tap the side skirts on. Both attached good to the thing. Probably gonna still have to trim this out a little bit, especially on the other side. It's gonna catch with this door still, just like the other one. Self-tapped in, didn't clean it yet, but it is definitely coming out looking pretty sick. I have the front bumper just placed over everything. It's literally not mounted by anything. I'm gonna start drilling holes for zip ties right up here and then zip ties over here. And I think it will work. All right, it is all zip tied on. Got it mounted to the front bumper support, or the old one. Zip tie right there. Zip tie through the fender. Hope it doesn't rip the fender out if something happens. Zip tie through the front support, both sides. Same thing for this one, and same thing for this. I think that's sturdy enough. Barely. Probably gonna have to do. Oh, it's loose because the fender's loose. It's not. All right. I think I'm good for paint. Kit's painted. Just did single coat for everything. I think the body of the car is only like 2 coats, if that. I mean, it's just self-etching primer. Don't want to make it too much. As long as it looks the same color. What's up? I approve.